Quotes by Lao Tzu. Water is the softest thing, yet it can penetrate mountains and earth. This shows clearly the principle of softness overcoming hardness, Lao Tzu. Your own positive future begins in this moment. All you have is right now. Every goal is possible from here, Lao Tzu. To realize that you do not understand is a virtue. Not to realize that you do not understand is a defect, Lao Tzu. People in their handlings of affairs often fail when they are about to succeed. If one remains as careful at the end as he was at the beginning, there will be no failure, Lao Tzu. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present, Lao Tzu. If I had just a little bit of wisdom, I should walk the great path and fear only, straying from it, Lao Tzu. To attain knowledge, add things every day. To attain wisdom, remove things every day, Lao Tzu. The difficult problems in life always start off being simple. Great affairs always start off being small, Lao Tzu. When the people of the world all know beauty as beauty, there arises the recognition of ugliness. When they all know the good is good, there rises the recognition of evil, Lao Tzu. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more wisdoms.